Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to Max class. Let us start today's session. Children, this is page number 36 in your Max textbook. Okay. Here, what they given here. See some more on addition. So here already they did one example. We observe this one. So here they given 255 plus 174. This boy is saying I can do it now. He's able to do now. Under how he's saying first add the ones. What he's saying first add the ones. Every time you're doing that only now. When you are doing addition, always we have to start doing addition with ones column digits only. Yes or no? So first we have to add ones column digits. 5 plus 4. 5 is, which number is bigger number? 5. So 5 you should keep in your mind. 4 is in your hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 ones. So we are writing 9 here. Okay. Next step, what is doing? First step over. First add tens. First add ones, next add tens. So we have to add next tens column. So here two numbers are there, 5, 7. Which number is bigger number, children? 7. So you should keep 7 in your mind. 5 is in your hand. Open 5 fingers, children. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we add tens column digits, we get the answer 12. So how many tens are there? 12 tens are there. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 tens. So children, I want to say one thing. 12 tens are equal to 120. 12 tens are 120. Yes or no? So in 120, how many hundreds are there? How many tens are there? In 120, 100 is there. 2 tens are there. In 12 tens, 100 is there. 2 tens are there. Take your rough book and do that one, children. 120 is equal to 100 plus 20. 20 means 2 tens are there. Yes or no? So what we are doing? We are writing 2 into under tens column. We are writing 2 under tens column. We are carrying 1 into hundreds place. We are carrying 1 into 100 place. Okay. See here they given carry it to hundreds place. 1 we have to carry to hundreds place. This is a second step. Okay. Next, third step. Now add the hundreds. Now we have to add the hundreds. So here 3 digits are there. So first we should add these 2 digits. 2 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 2 after 3. 3 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 3 after 4. So the answer is 429. In this way we have to do the additions all the time. First we have to add ones column. Next we have to add tens column. If we get the 2 digit answer, so what we have to do, like this we get 12 tens. So how many hundreds are there? How many tens are there? We have to divide. We have to write hundreds into hundreds column. Tens into how many tens are there? We have to write into tens column. Last step, we have to add hundreds column. We have to write the answer like this. In this way, you have to do the addition. Okay, children? Children, I'll give you an example here. I'll explain here clearly. Listen carefully. Okay? See here, what are the numbers I gave? 525 plus 395 we have to add. Okay? We have to add 525 plus 394. This is addition symbol. Don't forget to keep this symbol. Okay, children? Now, so when we are doing, what we have to do? What is the first step? What is the first step? First add the ones. First what we have to do? Add the ones. First, always when we are doing it, we have to add ones column digits first. Yes or no? So which number is bigger number? 5. So you should keep 5 in your mind. 4 is in your hand. Open 4 fingers, children. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 ones. So I'm writing here 9. Okay. Next, what is the second step, children? First column already we added. So we have to add next tens column digits. What is the second step? We have to add tens column digits. So next add tens. So here already they given two numbers, 2, 9. Which number is bigger number, children? 9 is bigger number. So you should keep 9 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. Okay. Open 2 fingers, children. 9 after 10, 11. So 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. How many tens are there, children? 11 tens are there. So in 11 tens, 11 tens are 11 tens are 11 tens are 110. So in 11 tens, how many hundreds are there? How many tens are there? In 11 tens, 100 is there, 110 is there. I said this method is little bit difficult for you. That's why I said it was a simple tip for you. Okay, again I'll explain the tip. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So in 11, always right hand digit will be under tens column, will be under tens column. Always right digit will be under tens column. That's why I'm writing 1 here. Next again 1 also there. Okay, always uh, uh, left side digit will go up for carry over. Okay, always left hand side digit will go up for carrying, or we are writing that number left side digit we are writing under hundreds column. This is the tip I said you know already in the previous video. Okay, remember that one. Always right side digit we are writing under tens column, left side digit we are writing under hundreds column. Yes or no? In this box we are writing. Okay, this is the second step. Again I'm saying, we get, if you add this 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So 11 tens, how we are able to write 1? Always right side digit. You know right hand and left hand? Right hand side digit. Okay, right side digit will go always under tens column, left side digit always go under hundreds column, or will go up for carry over. Okay, so step 2 over. Now we have to go for the step 3. So last we have what we have to do, we have to add next hundreds column, next add hundreds column. So here 3 digits are there. Yes or no? So first we should add these 2 digits. Which number is bigger number? 5. So 5 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 5 after 6. So 6 plus 3. So 6 is in your mind, 3 is in your hand. 6 after 7, 8. Children will do another example. Okay, see what are the numbers they given here? 363 plus 284. We have to add this number. We'll do the addition. Okay, so what is the first step, children? When we are doing addition, we always start doing addition with addition with ones column digits only. Now first we have to add ones column digits. So what is the first step? Step 1, first add the ones. First always we have to start doing addition with ones column digits only. So first we have to add these 2 digits. Which number is bigger number? 4. So you should keep 4 in your mind, 3 is in your hand. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So we are writing 7 here. This is the first step over. Next one, what is the second step? Step 2, we have to add tens column digits. We have to add tens column digits. So which number is bigger number? 8 is bigger number. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 6 is in your hand. Open 6 fingers, children. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So I said one tip. I said 14 is equal to 100 plus 4 times. So that is a little bit difficult for you. I said one simple tip now. We have to follow the tip. See here 14. So always right hand digit will be under, always right hand digit will be under tens column. That's why you're writing 4 under tens column. Okay, next always left hand digit, left hand side digit will go up for carrying, will go up for carrying, or we are writing under hundreds column, will go up for carrying. I said na. So in this way you have to write like this. Okay, next what is the third step? What is the third step, children? We have next add hundreds. At last we have to add hundreds column. So here 3 digits are there. First we should add these 2 digits. 3 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 3 after 4. Okay, 4 in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 4 after 5, 6. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we are writing 6 here. Here also they given an example, children. See, complete the questions by changing wherever necessary. Wherever necessary, we have to change. Okay. So first remember, first add ones, next tens, and lastly hundreds. Okay. So here already they given one example. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So they are writing 1 into under ones column. 1 is they are writing under tens column. Okay. Next, they add these three numbers. They get the answer 12. So 12. So they are writing 2 into under tens column, 1 into under hundreds column. After that, they add these three numbers, they get the answer 6. This is example. Already we did so many sums now, so I think no need to explain this page. Okay. And we will do another sum here. See, we have to add this one. Okay. See, what are the numbers they given here? 657 plus 148 we have to add. Okay, what is the first step, children? When we are doing addition, we always start doing addition with ones place digits only. Again and again, again and again, so many times I said, children, don't forget this point. Okay, don't forget to start doing addition to ones column digits. Okay, so first step, ones column digits we should add. First add ones. Here they given two numbers, 7 8. Which number is bigger? Number 8. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 7 is in your hand. Open 7 fingers, children. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get the answer 15. Do I write 15 here? Can I write? No, I can't write because it's not possible. Two digits stay at one place. More than 9 we can't write in one digit. Okay, more than 9 we can't write. So 15. So how we have to write 15? Always right side digit will be under ones column. Okay, always. So we are writing 5 into under ones column. Next, always left side digit, okay, us will go up for carry over, or we write under tens column. Okay, like this. Okay, we are writing 5 into under ones column, 1 into under tens column. Okay. Next, what is the second step? Next we have to add tens column digits. Step next, add tens column digits. So here three digits are there. First we have to add these two digits. Okay, which number is bigger number? 5. 5 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 5 after 6. 6 is in your mind, 4 is in your hand. Open 4 fingers, children. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many tens are there? 10 tens are there. How we have to write that 10? So 10 like this. Always right side digit will be under tens column. Always right side digit will be under tens column. Okay, always left side digit will go up for carry over, or will be under hundreds column. Okay, so we are writing 1 here. We are writing 0 into under tens column. We are writing 1 under hundreds column in this box. Okay, what is the last step, children? Step 3. So at last we have to add hundreds column digits. Yes or no? So next add hundreds. 1 plus 6 plus 1 we have to add. First we should add these two digits. 6 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 6 after 7. 7 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 7. Children will do another sum now. Okay, see what are the numbers they given here? 583 plus 217 we have to add. What is the first step? First add ones. So 3 plus 7 we should add. Which number is bigger number? 7 is bigger number. 7 is in your mind, 3 is in your hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10. So how we have to write 10? So always right side digit will be under ones column. So we are writing 0 into under ones column. Next, always left side digit will go up for carry over, or we write left side digit under tens column like this. Okay, we are writing 0 into under ones column, 1 into under tens column. Okay, in this box we are writing. Like, what is the second step? We should add tens column digits. Okay, so here 3 digits are there. First we should add these 2 digits. Which number is bigger number? 8. 8 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 8 after 9. 9 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 9 after 10. So 10, how we have to write 10? 0 where you have to write, 1 where you have to write 0. Always left side digit will write under tens column. Yes or no? So we are writing 0 under tens column. Always left side digit will go for carry over, or we write under hundreds column. So we are writing 1 under hundreds column like this. Okay, what is the last step, children? Third step, we have finally we have to add hundreds column digits. So 1 plus 5 plus 3, here 3 digits are there. First we should add these 2 digits. Which number is bigger number? 5. 5 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 5 after 6. 6 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 6 after 7, 8. So we are get the answer 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. So we are writing 8. Children, this is today's assignment. Okay, do carefully and send to me. Thank you.